I continuously evolve because I use a lab notebook for my life. If I'm trying to achieve a goal, I'm going to be as objective and analytical as possible. The worst feeling is running in circles and missing an obvious answer. Having your goals and your progress being controlled by your mood, being dependent on if you had a good or bad day, you need to be constantly experimenting, documenting, analyzing, and logically planning your next experiment based on the data that you gathered. Think about it if you're creating content. You post one video, you get feedback in the comments. Based on those comments, you decide to do another video along the same line. You have your next experiment, you do the same thing, you repeat, you analyze trends, you compare it to the previous experiment, and you move forward. If you're starting your fitness journey, the first entry is starting a 6-week plan. You're analyzing, you're seeing what works, you're gathering specific data that you are focused on, and then the next experiment, you're adjusting the plan. If you are not documenting and assessing things objectively, you are just gonna run in circles. So if you apply the same principles that researchers use and become the specimen of your investigation, you will evolve so fast. I will make a more detailed video on how I document in my lab notebook for my life. So if you're interested, follow to see that video.